Hi guys, today we're looking at the new Audi A6 Matrix. As the name suggests, they've named the car after the headlight system they've included. This is the Matrix headlight system. It's got 1100 different settings of lighting, plus the indicators you see on the car. That's the dynamic indicators they've shown. It's got the new A8 style grille. It almost looks like an A8. Then you get a Sportsline package. That's the skirting that I'm trying to show you. There's the badging that says Sportsline package. You get 18-inch alloy wheels standard with the car. And talking about the A6 has been the segment leader in the premium saloon segment, but this is a midlife. It is a midlife facelift for the A6, which has been done on the car and then done it quite well. It looks very different from the previous model that has been running in the industry. It's got this dynamic indicators at the back as well, and with the two exhaust pipes. Okay, here we are in the interiors of the A6 Matrix. As you can see, it's got a virtual cockpit display. That's the navigation system being shown up on the screen. Here is the pop-up screen, the very famous pop-up screen. That's how it operates. Push on the system, the screen goes inside. Okay, that's the car system. That's the Audi Drive Select system. That's the driving modes options you have: comfort, auto, dynamic. As you feel like driving the car, you can choose from this options. Plus you have the adaptive air suspension on the car, so if you need to raise the car, you can probably do it. As you can see, the fit and finish in the car is absolutely brilliant. They've got the perfect stitching of leather, the perfect back race. You got a sunroof. That's the view from the passenger seat. The new function which I wanted to tell you is the seat control. You can do sitting at the back only. You can push the seat up front from here. You got rear AC vents. Look how further it goes, just like an A8. You got AC vents for yourself at the back. You've got a remote system. It's got almost every control in the MMI. Probably can use anything you want from here. You got navigation. There you go. That's the navigation system. Plus you get a Bose sound system, which is standard on the car. Talking about the specs of the car, this car is 190 bhp. It is a 2-liter diesel turbocharged. It's got a S-tronic gearbox. That is the dual clutch gearbox we have. It's got paddle shifts as standard. It's got a very useful feature, that is the adaptive air suspension. You can increase the height of the car by 45 mm for rough roads and bigger speed breakers. You have a reversing camera option. Plus you have two different options for parking setting, with one of which is perpendicular parking and parallel parking as well. You get a 4-zone air conditioning unit standard on this car. All 4 passengers can have different temperature settings as per their liking. You've got paddle shifts as standard now. You get cruise control, which is standard. You get memory seats on the car. You get Bose sound system. So it's pretty much everything is there. It is one of the finest product by Audi, and of course this deserves to be the segment leader.